Ever accidentally deleted half your database? Transactions could have saved you. To start a transaction in PostgreSQL, you use the begin keyword, or equivalently, start transaction. From that point forward, every SQL statement you run becomes part of that transaction. They are grouped together as a single unit of work, and nothing is permanently saved to the database until you explicitly say so. To save your transaction and make all changes permanent, you run commit. Think of it as the save button for your database operations. Once committed, all changes are durable and visible to every other connection. Here is what a complete bank transfer looks like. Begin, deduct from one account, add to another, then commit. If something goes wrong, a rollback is your escape hatch. It undoes every change made since the begin, as if the transaction never happened. This is what makes transactions safe. You can abort at any point before committing. 2 more things worth knowing. First, PostgreSQL auto-commits by default. If you run a statement without begin, it commits immediately. There is no transaction to roll back. Second, within a transaction you can set a SAVEPOINT to mark a specific point, then roll back to just that save point without undoing the entire transaction. Use begin to start, commit to save, and rollback to undo. That is PostgreSQL transactions. Subscribe for more database tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.